Hi everyone, this is Mihai from Weviz, and today we are going to take a look at our brand new slides feature. To activate slides, click on the bottom right corner of this icon. Slides capture the state of your scene. To create a new slide, click the plus button and validate with the check mark. Slides capture all modifications made to a scene. These can be material modification, modification of components and their positions, modification of constraints, modification of environment, and props. Once multiple slides are created, you can just click on them to get a smooth transition between the two slides. Let's create some new slides with material configurations. Open our material library and drop some materials on our model. Once we are happy with how our model looks, we activate the slides and capture the current state of the scene. To validate the capture, we click on the check mark. Let's go ahead and create an exploded scene using our hierarchy in combination with the slides. Click on the hierarchy to activate it. Then click on the plus sign to add a new slide and move around components. Once we are done, we can validate our slide.
We can also copy the point of view of a certain slide without having to copy all the other parameters.
This will give us the exploded view without any camera movement. By adding a new component and hiding the original one, we can create a slide with the new component and easily show off our design variations. With the use of the review menu, we can easily add annotations and measurements to our models. Our annotations are going to be displayed with our profile pictures and usernames. And will be commentable by other users with their profile pictures and names. Since slides take into account most modifications made to a scene, we can create largely different scenes around the same object easily.